Your message highlights how knowledge and cooperation can strengthen global health. Dear audience, every new voice brings a fresh perspective. The exchange of ideas is the true heartbeat of every conference because it is through dialogue what we grow, learn, and innovate. Now, I would like to call Zainab Siddiqui from the city Bait-ul-Mukarram campus Karachi to present her speech.
Assalamu alaikum, respected Madam Sadia Rashid, teachers, honorable guests, and my dear friends. My name is Zainab Siddiqui and I am a student of class 4 from the city school Bait-ul-Mukarram campus. Today I feel very proud to represent my school at this wonderful 34th International Children's Health Conference on the occasion of World Health Day. The topic of my speech is Together for Health, Stand with Science. Health is the greatest gift in our life. If we are healthy, we can study well, play happily, and achieve our dreams. But if we are not healthy, even small tasks become difficult. Today, the world is facing many health challenges. We have seen diseases like COVID-19, dengue, and many others. These problems teach us one important lesson. We must stand with science. Science helps doctors find cures, develop medicines, and create vaccines. Because of science, millions of lives have been saved. When we trust science, we protect ourselves and others. But my dear friends, science alone is not enough. We must also work together. Together for health means helping each other stay clean and safe, sharing correct information, supporting doctors and healthcare workers. A healthy nation is a strong nation. If we all work together and follow science, we can build a better future for Pakistan and for whole world. Imagine a world where there were no medicines, no hospitals, and no doctors. Even a small fever could become dangerous. Even a tiny infection could take a life. But today, we are safe because of science. Science has given us vaccines that cure illnesses. Science has given us treatments that cure illnesses which were once impossible to treat. Because of medical research, millions of children are alive today, smiling, dreaming, studying just like us. During COVID-19, the whole world was scared. Schools were closed, families were worried, but then scientists worked day and night, doctors risked their lives, and very soon vaccines were created. That is the power of standing with science. My dear audience, standing with science means listening to experts, trusting doctors, and believing in knowledge, not rumors. Sometimes people spread wrong information, and it can be dangerous. So we must promise that we will choose facts over fears and knowledge over confusion. But health is not just a job of doctors and scientists, it's our responsibility too. We must take care of our bodies and surroundings. We can wash our hands, eat healthy food, exercise daily, and keep our environment clean. And most importantly, we must care for each other. If someone is sick, we help them. If someone is weak, we support them. Because together we are stronger. My dear friends, a healthy future is not made by one person. It is when we all stand together with doctors, together with scientists, and together with truth. Let us make a promise today to respect science, to support medical researchers, and to protect our health and health of others. Because when we stand with science, we stand for life, we stand for hope, and we stand for a better tomorrow. Stand for health, stand with science. Thank you. Together.
Thank you, Zainab, for sharing your inspiring thoughts with us.